In this video guide, I will show with you how you can withdraw money from Superbuy. So if you want to withdraw, follow me on this video. First, open your account here and then go to my balance. When you click on my balance, you will see your balance. If you have any funds or money on your account, click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you have this method, guys. You will have withdraw method. Select your method or your withdraw, for example, PayPal or Alipay or Gcash. If you want to withdraw through PayPal, just click your PayPal. And then if you have any money here, guys, all you have to do, select your withdraw option and write your email, your PayPal here. Write email address to your PayPal account. And then make sure, guys, the withdraw exchange rate is based on time funds was topped up. So, guys, when you make a top up, you can withdraw your balance was your top up. In this case, if you balance $0 or zero currency China, you can request the full amount at once. So guys, you should be write all this term and FAQ, this one question and answer to get your withdrawal. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.